This one idea about fractions will change how you see math forever. If fractions ever made you sigh or say, "Oh, I never got that in school," you are definitely not alone. Most people think fractions are just parts of a whole, and that's exactly why they stay confused. But today, I will show you the real meaning of fractions in a way that finally makes sense. Hey everyone, I'm Miss Becca, and you're welcome back to another math moment where we make math click. Let's imagine we have this delicious pizza cut into eight. If I take one slice out of the eight slices, that means I have taken one out of eight, and it can be written as 1 over 8. The top number tells us how many pieces we have, and the bottom number tells us the total number of pieces. The top number is called the numerator. It refers to the part you have. If I take one out of the eight slices, that means I have one. That part I have is the numerator, that's the top number. While the total number of that pizza is the denominator. So a fraction isn't just parts of something, it's actually a relationship, a comparison between what you have and what's in the total. That's the heartbeat of every fraction. Let's say I eat 4 out of the 8 slices. Someone might say that's 4/8. Another person might say that's half the pizza. Guess what? Both are right because fractions are about relationships. 4 slices out of 8 total is the same as 1 slice out of 2 total. So when we say 1/2, it's a simpler way of showing the same comparison. Now imagine this. You cut your pizza into 8 slices while I cut mine into 4 slices. If we both eat half, you will eat 4 slices while I eat 2 slices. But we've both eaten the same amount of pizza. That's why you can't just look at the numbers. You have to look at what they mean together. Here now, you've eaten half, that's 4 out of 8 slices. I've also eaten half, but mine is 1 over 2. So here is the real meaning of a fraction. It's not just a part of a whole, it's the relationship between how many parts you have and how many parts make the whole. Once you start thinking of fraction that way, everything like comparing, adding, simplifying will start to make sense. Now it's your turn. This pizza is cut into 12. If I eat 3 slices, what fraction of the pizza did I eat and what fraction of the pizza is left? Write your answers in the comments and tell me if you can simplify it. If that clicked for you, then you are finally seeing fractions the right way as relationships, not just parts. Next time, we will go deeper and uncover the different types of fractions. So make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and share this with someone who still says, "I don't get fractions," because more explanations will come up in more videos. I am Miss Becca and I make math click one bite at a time.